Stop blasting the same resume to every job. That's why you're getting ignored. Here's how to use AI to make your resume land interviews. Step 1, copy the job description. Paste it into AI and say, pull the top keywords, skills, and outcomes this role needs. Step 2, paste your resume. Say, compare my resume to this job. What's missing? What should I rewrite to match? Step 3, rewrite for ATS plus humans. Say, rewrite my resume to match this job using ATS-friendly formatting. Keep it truthful, strong, and impact-focused. Step 4, convert duties into results. Say, turn my bullets into achievements using action plus method plus result. Add metrics placeholders if needed. Step 5, add keywords naturally. Say, insert missing keywords naturally. No stuffing, keep it readable. Step 6, make the summary hit hard. Say, write a 3-line summary that makes me sound like I already do this job. Final check, say, rescore my resume versus this job and tell me the last fixes. Do this for every job you actually want and your interview rate will jump. For more tips, subscribe to my channel, New World AI. Learn and earn with AI.